when we start to be curious about these connections, and connections a big word when we're talking about place. When we become curious about these connections, then we start to sense the essence of what our signature sound is or where it comes from. And I think really it comes down to that, whether it is truly like a physical place based or it is a place in time and space. If we tap into that and allow that to come through us in some way, this essence, then you will sound different to how you've known yourself before, but it is utterly familiar. It is so familiar that you know this is where you belong. Again, coming back to that feeling of place, of home.